Let's see, it's rolling. Yes. So, hello and a very, very good morning, YouTube. Mostly I upload videos in the morning, and it's morning when I started the vlog. So, good morning, everyone. So, today, Sunday, um, I'm heading towards my workplace as usual. There's no Sunday holidays where I'm working. And yesterday night I was not able to sleep because at my residence area close to there is an Honda service center which last night got fire. Yes, got fire. You can see fire brigade. Yeah. So I was saying there is a Volvo service center with showroom, and this is the showroom which got fire last night. And I almost nothing left as I got the news like output around at 12:30. So I took place at almost like at my 12:30, and people were like shouting how is light right off because the connection is close to the station, and this whole line got cut off for the night. And it just came today in the morning while I was leaving for the work. Good thing that there was no one in the showroom, like service center, there was just working on the gate to but I was so delirious able to see from a distance that the whole showroom, the showroom, every showroom and the service center along behind it was a very long street. It caught fire at the back, and usually you guys get the service center has most of at the end of the service center, and slowly, it's rapidly coming out, and it's rapidly doing it all over the place. So the fire then came all over to the front, and it was almost about to enter the showroom, but yep, fire brigade came, waiting for the water, doing the some of the things. So it almost took 12 to 15 fire brigade vehicles to control the place. Yes, what kind of what kind of all that it almost started from 12:30, and it almost got completely wind up by the morning 6:30. This will come right today or tomorrow. I really want that. It's not very much mistake. There might be a shortage and yep, an update on the motorcycle. I have made a video on installing this bar and mirrors like perfectly. They won't tangle out, they won't go here and there, go something. I have got the solution for it. So I will tell that about the video which I have already made. I just need to upload it. And there are few more also I done and some bits I haven't recorded because I was not using the time. So I have added the glass which is enhancing the look of the motorcycle, and after that I have changed my front mudguard which is also got broken, which was broken and I bought the vehicle. So I replaced it, I given the mudguard, got the visor and everything. So this is the exit on the vehicle, and slowly I will be restoring it basically. So let's that's it. The speedometer is not getting right out, it's not showing the speed. It's saying the fuel, it's saying the RPM and everything. Rest of the things is working perfectly on this motorcycle. But at lower RPM, the idling is not proper. The, as they say, while you're not giving the throttle, the motorcycle doesn't usually close, shut off. But this thing shut off automatically. So that's it. So in this video, I will be uploading that modification of the mirrors also, and I will be uploading, a review about like my what is helmet review. Okay, so I was not getting that word. What is that? What is it? Customer like ownership review about the helmet I'm using right now. It's a Vega Gold. Most of the things like the lever is broken. I also replaced it, but I have replaced it with a new lever and the Yamaha which is used in like version 3 and version 4. It's from the Bible. So the bike has changed very quickly. Like it has enhanced so beautifully that I am able to brake it on spot. Like no jerkiness, no lag, and plus no, scaring of like shit happens. And I'm thinking to change the body parts and get the engine all painted out so that it gets a little bit more rich. So that will be a slow process. So hope you guys like the video and thank you for watching. Bye bye. It's recording. And as you can see, this is the glass I have seen. I have to put the sticker on it, which I have not done yet. There's the sticker. I have painted up the glass here, and this is the new mudguard. And rest is all working fine, so I just don't need to clean anything. But they have got a little bit old. Technology is getting out, so thinking of replacing all four indicators, as I have replaced one of them right now. So you can see this is the latest look. I know there's a air dot less in the front and the right eye both. So while returning, I will be filling up the air as well. So